Hey there, welcome back. Today I will walk you through how to fix the Grok is under heavy usage right now error. Let's start by understanding what this error message means and why it might be appearing on your screen. When you encounter the Grok is under heavy usage right now error, it's essentially telling you that the servers are experiencing a significant spike in demand. This is a common occurrence when a large number of users try to access the service simultaneously. To manage this high demand and maintain stability, the system queues incoming requests. So, when you see this message, it's simply letting you know that the traffic is high, which may cause some delays in processing new requests. Now, let's dive into how you can resolve this issue. The most straightforward and dependable solution is to wait it out. These traffic surges are generally temporary, and allowing a bit of time helps the servers catch up and reset. An important tip here is to avoid constantly refreshing or resubmitting the same request. Doing so can actually contribute to slowing down the process further instead of speeding it up. By taking a short break, you give the queue time to clear and performance usually returns to normal. However, if you find yourself in a situation where you need immediate access, or if you frequently encounter this message, upgrading your account might be the answer. Paid users often receive priority access during periods of heavy usage. This means your requests are more likely to be processed quickly even when demand is high. Upgrading won't eliminate delays in every instance, but it often reduces wait times and provides a more consistent experience during busy periods. To upgrade, start by navigating to your profile area in the app or on the website. Typically, you'll find the profile icon in the bottom left corner of the interface. Clicking on this icon will open your account menu. From there, select the upgrade option, which will take you to the subscription screen. Here, you can review the various plans available, including the features and benefits they offer. Choose a plan that suits your usage needs, keeping in mind factors like the features you need and the billing cycle that works best for you. Once you confirm your choice, your account will be updated to reflect the new status. After upgrading, try accessing Grok again. In many instances, the heavy usage notice disappears more quickly for paid users. If the message still appears right away, give it a moment. The priority access usually kicks in once the system is able to balance the load more effectively. To summarize, encountering this message is a normal part of using a service that experiences high traffic. Waiting is often the simplest solution, but upgrading can offer priority access when you need it most. By following these steps, you should be able to return to generating responses smoothly and efficiently. And that wraps it up. If fixing the Grok is under heavy usage right now, error feels easier now. Subscribe to our channel because plenty more guides are on the way.